Hello children, we are starting with exercise 17.1. Question 1. In a circle with center P, chord AB is drawn of length 13 cm and PQ is perpendicular chord AB, then find length QB. A segment AB is given, PQ is perpendicular given. So PQ is perpendicular to chord AB given. Length QB equals to half of length AB. Why? We have to write the reason every time, students. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisects the given chord. By which property we are using this, by which theorem we are using, that we have to write in maths. Reason what we call it as. Therefore, length QB equals to half of 13 equals to 6.5 centimeter. So length QB equals to 6.5 centimeter. Easy. Question 2. Radius of the circle with center O is 25 centimeter. Radius OD is here. Find the distance of the chord from the center if its length of the chord is 48 centimeter. Now CD is 48 centimeter. Perpendicular is drawn from the center OP. So definitely PD will be half of CD, 24. PD is 24. OD is 25. We have to find out OP, distance of the chord from the center. What you will apply? Pythagoras theorem. Correct? So apply Pythagoras theorem and find out OP. That will be the answer. We'll come across solution. OP is perpendicular to the chord given. Therefore, PD, length PD equals to half of CD. Perpendicular drawn from the center of a circle to its chord bisects the given chord. Therefore, PD equals to half of 48 equals to 24 centimeter. Now in triangle OPD, angle P equals to 90 degree. Therefore, now you know how to apply Pythagoras theorem. So, substitute the value and calculate. You will get OP square equals to 25 square minus 24 square. Again, I repeat, here we can make use of the expansion formula. A square minus B square equals to A plus B, A minus B. 25 plus 24 into 25 minus 24. So 49 into 1. Therefore, OP square equals to 49. Take square root on both the sides. You will get OP equals to 7 centimeter. Therefore, the distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 7 centimeter. Question 3. O is center of the circle. Find the length of radius if the chord of length 24 centimeter and distance is 9 centimeter from the center of the circle. Here you see chord is given 24 centimeter. Distance from the center is given 9 centimeter. What you have to find out? Radius. Again, AB will be divided into half. This is point P. So it will be 12. This is 9. Apply Pythagoras theorem. You can find out the OA. That is radius of the circle. Length OP is perpendicular to AB, chord AB. Therefore, AP equals to half of AB. Reason again, perpendicular from the center of the circle to its chord bisects the given chord. Here you don't have to draw very accurate figure, but circle must be there. Segment AB, that is chord, must be there, and perpendicular approximately must be there. Figures you must draw in mathematics here so that it is there for ready reference. Therefore, AP equals to half of 24 equals to 12 centimeter. Now in triangle OPA, again P equals to 90 degree. Apply Pythagoras theorem. AO is not given. OP is 9 and AP you have calculated above. Substitute the values, simplify. You will get AO square equals to 225. By taking square root on both the side, length AO equals to 15 centimeter. Therefore, the length of radius of the circle is 15 centimeter. Next question 4. C is the center of the circle whose radius is 10 centimeter. Find the distance of the chord from the center if the length of the chord is 12 centimeter. Again, we have to find out CD, that is distance. Method remains the same, values are changed. So, length AD equals to half of length AB perpendicular drawn from the center of the circle to its chord bisects the chord. So, half of 12 equals to 6. In triangle ACD, angle D equals to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, substitute the values, you will get CD square equals to 64. Therefore, by taking square root on both the sides, CD equals to 8 centimeter. The distance of the chord from the center of the circle is 8 centimeter. Very simple problems are there once you understand. In the next video, we are going to see the next exercise. Till then, goodbye. Take care of yourself. Thank you.